Hi, I'm Sean with Amped Up Marine Solutions, and today we are going to be unboxing the Garmin BlueNet Field Install Kit. Comes in this nice sturdy packaging. Before we get started, I will want to put a note: if you have not ever crimped a RJ45 connector onto a Ethernet cable, I would strongly recommend that this be done by a professional. For those that want to attempt it or need to get your installation completed and you're a do-it-yourself person, this kit is for you. This kit would come in handy if you had to cut your BlueNet connector off to run the cable through a rigging tube, up your piping, into an electronics box, and so on. Again, nice packaging from Garmin, says what the device is, and let's get inside here. So first thing we get, some documentation. They are really good in their documentations on walking you through everything, and they also give you a complete pinout of how to do an RJ45 connector. You will need a special crimping tool to be able to do RJ45, but you can find those at your local hardware store as well. This is a 2-pack kit, so you will get 2 BlueNet to RJ45 female connectors in the box, and then you will have another package inside this box of other miscellaneous hardware. This kit goes together in a few pieces. We will start with the side of Garmin BlueNet, and then your RJ45 female connector with Garmin's waterproof connection that they use. This kit is installed by taking your cut end. So let's say you had to cut this BlueNet cable off to be able to run this connection. Garmin's done a very good job at making this connection much smaller than it used to be. Sometimes it is still not small enough. So let's say you cut this off, you would take this connection piece here. This would slide down the cable. Let's see. This would slide down the cable. Your next piece will be these 2 pieces right here, and this collar. You will push this collar on, making sure that this lip here is on the inside of this, and you'll snap it together. You will slide everything down this cable now, and you'll have just an Ethernet cable hanging out. You will take your RJ45 connector, you will crimp this onto the end of that, and then you'll go push this all the way back, which will put this RJ45 connector into this side here. And then you'll take this last slide piece, you'll bring that up, and you'll compress everything together, which makes a nice watertight connection here. I did forget that you will put your O-ring inside of here. And then you would take the RJ45 female side and your male side, and you'll mate them together and thread that on. And that will give you a nice waterproof seal, and then you will be left with a new BlueNet connector on the end of that. So again, this kit comes in handy if you had to cut that BlueNet cable off and run it through a rigging tube. This is a 2-pack kit, so you will notice there's extra hardware in there after you complete one, but you may find yourself in the future adding something else with Garmin's new BlueNet connections. My name is Sean from Amped Up Marine, and this was a product unboxing.